recognizing the industrial shift requiring added transparency in the remanufacturing of consumer electronic device spare parts. Focus Wireless provide a cost-effective, traceable solution, advanced anodization and physical vapor deposition processes to remanufacture real covers at industry-leading yield to wireless carrier specification under a transparent process.
In the market today, there is zero margin for error. Focus Wireless strives to be the industry leader with respect to smartphone rear cover and LCM reclamation. We work unceasingly to deliver the highest possible yield recovery for our clients. Focus Wireless provides transparency in process. Our customers can be assured that returned assemblies contain components that originated with their repair inventories. Our process is exact, auditable, scalable, and delivers recovered value.
The Focus Wireless Rear Cover Remanufacturing Program provides clients with critical turnkey advantages, including material traceability, guaranteed removal of counterfeit materials, refurbishment to OEM carrier-grade specifications, managed transparent process, industry-leading yield rates, competitive pricing, and customizable component population. Upon receiving goods, we ensure that expected quantity tallies actual quantity received. Our warehouse and storage facility staff assure that all goods are quantified accordingly and documented. Any discrepancies are immediately reported in our reception report for proper disposition and resolution.
Focus Wireless assures authenticity of supply. Upon reception, each rear cover serial number is recorded through QR code captured, both recording incoming product and comparing product information with the serial and tooling number. Our authenticity inspection process includes metallurgical testing and visual inspection, using accurate criteria to identify counterfeit materials. Suspected counterfeit materials are reported transparently to you and can be filled, destroyed, or returned as per your requirement.
Each rear cover is evaluated by our triage team, carefully sorted by damage type and severity classification. This process helps us to prioritize the covers based on our client's requirement. The defects include deep dent, multiple dent, dimple deformations, scratches, deformed volume power keyholes, thick chamfer, flatness deformations, dog saw, crack cover, deformed USB port, cracked rubber lining, cut rubber lining, gap rubber lining, visible marking on logo, no QR code, and tampered QR code.
Following triage classification, we attach a traceability sticker for each rear cover with corresponding info such as batch, number, and client code. A detailed triage report is provided to the client, providing a complete inventory of received rear covers, confirmation of material authenticity, and categorized condition.
This is where our main preparation process begins. We first disassemble all the components such as camera lens, logo, USB support, flex cables, vibrators, loudspeakers, and other small components. These components are effectively harvested, thoroughly cleaned, reclaimed, inspected, sorted, and stored in our storage area. Harvested components are properly labeled and stored, as they will be reused during the assembly process. Following the disassembly process, rear covers are completely cleaned. We must ensure that there are no foreign materials and adhesive left to avoid contamination in the chemicals of the anodizing line. Once cleaned, we mask the inside surface area of the rear covers where the unique QR code is engraved. We use chemical-resistant masking tape to protect the critical parts of the covers.
of an anodized aluminum rear cover is coated with a hard layer of anodic oxide. Before we remove and rework the dents and scratches, we must eliminate this anodized layer in order to expose the bare aluminum surface. During the stripping process, we use specific chemicals in the stripping machine to completely remove this hardened layer.
Once the rear covers have been stripped of anodized layers, they are ready for our rework process. In the sanding process, our skilled workforce sands down the defects carefully using different widths of sandpaper. Each cover is taken seriously and exclusively to eliminate dents and scratches using a systematic approach.
Sandblasting is an important process in the preparation of covers. This is where we blast the covers with fine abrasive beads to obtain the surface texture of covers comparable with OEM. Air pressure is a critical parameter in this process, hence, control of this parameter is closely monitored.
We employ 100% visual inspection of rear covers following the sanding and sandblasting processes. Our in-process inspection assures that the quality criteria are met and that defects are identified and eliminated prior to transfer to the next process.
The burnishing process is the final preparatory stage before rear covers are prepared for anodization. Power button and volume slots are polished using burnishing machinery to achieve a mirror finish. This cosmetic appearance may not be noticeable at a glance, but it adds elegance and an OEM touch to the product.
The foundation of our anodization process is the fusion of advanced equipment, processes, and techniques with highly experienced technicians committed to providing the highest possible quality end product. High yields are not obtained by automation but by artisans. Highly trained and thoughtful workforce employs industry-leading methodologies in the pursuit of maximum recovery value. We use low unit count jigs to increase the overall success rate of each batch. Anodization is an electrochemical process that converts the aluminum surface into a decorative, corrosive resistance, anodic oxide finish. The anodic oxide layer that is formed in the surface hardens the aluminum. This layer is also the coating where the dye color is deposited to achieve an OEM color. Currently, we are capable of providing more than 20 colors.
Repopulation of rear covers is accomplished by process-driven methodology, utilizing exact OEM criteria that delivers a new completed appearance and functional performance. Prior to laser marking of conductive points and printing, rear covers are first inspected to ensure adherence to OEM color and finish. After component assembly and installation is accomplished, a uniformly applied functional testing is conducted to ensure proper installation. We provide 3 standard component assembly options: naked, subkitted, and complete.
Focus Wireless employs a process-driven quality assurance program to align documented client requirement with production documentation and operations. Testing processes includes cosmetic, chromatic aberration, temperature, glue pattern, welding point, gap level, camera and length strength, logo criteria, edge cutting, sandblasting and anodization pattern, thickness, hardness, laser etching, radio frequency, drop testing, waterproof, and impact testing, in addition to cosmetic and functional testing of small parts prior to and following installation.
Following final testing and cleaning, each rear cover is scanned in for traceability, then securely packaged. Upon completion, we place the summary of goods, packing list, traceability summary, and inspection report in the carton. This is then verified by our outgoing quality assurance team to ensure that packaging standards are respected.